So I am pretty impressed with some of my new Temu purchases, which leads us into our next revision. And to be fair, I also just wanted to turn the camera around on myself again, which is quite exciting. But we're going to come down here, and another one of my exciting new Temu purchases. It's this weird cleaning putty crap. But look, it was quite cheap. Let's say it was 60 cents each. And they're actually pretty cool. So I want to buy 5 of them. How much is that going to cost me? So you'd start off and you just go, okay, well, I've got 5 times 60. And so if you pop that into your calculator, it's going to give you 300. But we were working in cents. So if I said to you, how much is it going to cost, and you told me 300 cents, that would be a little bit strange. So we're going to convert it into dollars. So if we remember that there is 100 cents in a dollar, so we're going to move our decimal points 10, 100, and so we know that 300 cents is equal to $3. Now, we also could have done that at the start. So we could have gone 60 cents. Could have moved our decimal points at 10, 100. So we would know that 60 cents looks like that. And we would times that by 5 to give our $3. And so this leads into a bit more of our using the correct units and metrics. And this is also where it starts to get a bit tricky, because we're going to start to combine different areas of maths. All very exciting. So let's say this is a courtyard. This side is 1.5 meters. And this side is, let's make you 90 centimeters. And you want to work out the area. So you know how much paint you're going to need to paint all this, for example. So first of all, you're going to think to yourself, okay, do I remember how to work out area? And you go, yes, I do. You know that you need to times the length by the width. Then you're going to look at, this is in centimeters and this is in meters. So different units. So we need to convert one to the other. So if we're converting our centimeters to meters, we'd remember that centi is 100. So we know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So we would go 90. We have our decimal point 10, 100. So we would know that 90 centimeters is equal to 0.9 meters. Or we could do it the other way around. Go 1.5 meters. Again, we know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. And so we would move our decimal points 10, 100. And so we would know there's 150 centimeters and 1.5 meters. And then you can kind of choose how you want to work it out. So you could either do 1.5 times 0.9, or you could do 150 times 90. I'm going to go with this one. And so you would know that it was 1.35 meters squared, or that would be